Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to move, resize or edit multiple elements at once, Canva allows you to group them together, making your design process faster and more organized. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to group elements in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your account, open the design you want to edit. Okay, so let's choose any design. For example, let's choose this one. Make sure all elements are visible on the canvas. So now you can select multiple items in two ways. Okay, so we have the two methods. Method 1, click and drag, and method 2, use the shift key. Okay, so the first one, which is click and drag your cursor around the element, okay, and release when all items are selected. And method number 2, which is use the shift key, click the first element and hold shift, click other elements to select them. Okay, selected elements will be highlighted. Okay, so once selected, click group in the toolbar. Or the top toolbar, okay, or right click the selection and click a group. You will find it here, and now the elements are combined into one unit, so the group behaves like a single object. Okay, so click the grouped elements, drag to move them, drag the corners to resize all elements, adjust together. Okay, you can ungroup elements if needed. So to edit items individually, click the grouped objects, click ungroup in the top toolbar, or right click and choose ungroup. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.